What if exploring other planets meant destroying life we haven't even discovered yet? Good morning, I'm Yamin Al-Sayed.
I'm Hussein Fares.
I'm Kayla Spinaka.
And I'm Elliot Babras. Firstly, we believe that it's unethical to risk contaminating other planets in pursuit of human exploration, as it can affect potential scientific research, cause environmental impacts, and pose a risk to extraterrestrial life. Contamination can make data unreliable in future missions, so we need to be careful.
There are risks to extraterrestrial life when exploring or visit other planets. Microbial life may exist under ice or soil. We may not see it or know it, but there could be tiny life forms under the soil that could potentially be damaged when trying to research. Secondly, contamination could kill fragile ecosystems. As we travel from Earth to any unknown planet, we can bring bacteria or unknown diseases that could potentially damage their ecosystems. Thirdly, with a raised chance to study original life. If we contaminate these planets, we may lose the chance to study life we haven't even discovered yet. As you can see in this picture by NASA's Planetary Protection Team, you can see the necessary conditions needed to take to protect these research.
Environmental impacts. To begin with, even a small amount of pollution in one place can quickly spread and affect a much larger area. This shows how fast contamination can travel across the Earth. Next, even the smallest microbes could disrupt a planet's natural balance. This kind of contamination could erase important scientific information forever.
And then in this picture from NASA's third body team, and it shows the debris in Earth's orbit and how it changed throughout a 50-year time period.
As we can see here, one major challenge in space exploration is keeping spacecraft completely sterile. Firstly, even though NASA carefully sterilizes every part of a spacecraft, it's impossible to make it 100% sterile. Secondly, some Earth microbes can survive extremes. They can survive incredibly tough environments such as extreme heat, radiation, or even colds, even after the sterilization process. This means there's always a small risk of contamination, where microbes from Earth could accidentally be carried to another planet. Lastly, NASA continues to study ways to reduce that risk, so the future missions don't interfere with potential alien environments. This image here by JPL Planetary Protection shows how they carefully sterilize spacecrafts.
When trying to find solutions, different studies have found the most viable ways to reduce contamination. Some of these are enforcing rules to prevent contamination, also developing new methods to clean spacecraft and equipment, and also they consider it's very important to only send necessary individuals for explorations in order to reduce the risk of contamination. Even though these are solutions to an issue, they also present their limitations. For example, cleaning spacecraft and equipment has a very high cost. Also, taking time to take protection measures. And finally, contamination will always occur even when trying the hardest to prevent it.
In this picture by scientists, this shows the different factors correlated with exploration. As you can see, there are many different ones, like with humans, age, sex, or lifestyle. And you can also see when traveling in the actual spaceship, you can see the distance from Earth, and radiation can alter with any factor. Finally, the future of space travel depends on how we treat the places we explore. Space can bring amazing discoveries, and we should not risk it or contaminate other planets, as it is not worth it. Thank you.